What's up, guys? It's your boy Justin Lewis back with another video, and today for you guys I'm going to be showing you my new remote control car. Well, it's too dark, but I'll bring it outside right now. It's dark right now. Show you the clips. Alright, got it outside and I want to drive it. Hope this video gets 1,000 likes. Let's try to reach that. So, because I will really want subscribers. I have 0 subscribers right now. My YouTube channel sucks. It's like the worst YouTube channel in America. But I hope I get just like 10 subscribers at least. So yeah, I want to show you this. Alright, so I have to bring it. I don't know how it is. How? Alright, I know. So I have to pick it up. I have to pick it up and bring it in my driveway. Just drive. Yeah, it's so fast. It's like the fastest remote control car in the world. And smash that like button if you want to hear the rev. It's going to rev like so bad. Like, listen to it. Wait. Yo, that's such a good rev. And I'll show you the controller. And this is how I rev it. I just do this. I just move this the right side. Then I'll make a rev sound. And I got this at Toys R Us. And Toys R Us is closing.